Creating your slideshow in Educaplay is as easy as adding the content you want to display on each slide. You can also use Ray, your AI assistant, to create the slideshow for you. Players will just need to go through the slides, paying attention to the text and multimedia content you've added to each one. Let's go! If you haven't already, the first step to creating your slideshow is to click on Create Activity, select Slideshow, and either sign up or log in. You are now in the creator. The easiest way to start is by giving Ray the title of the slideshow so that it creates it for you. Thanks to artificial intelligence, Ray will create slides with titles and texts related to the topic you've provided. You can also give Ray a long text and he'll turn it into a slideshow for you. It will be ready to publish after you add, remove or change anything you want. To create it manually, simply input the text or multimedia elements you want to add to each slide. You can add audio. A population pyramid is essentially a bar chart, images, and videos.
In this way, a population diagram of the Netherlands.
You can also add a title to each slide. In just a few seconds, we'll see how you can enrich the text of the slide with these buttons. However, if you have at least one slide and a title and description in the Information tab, the slideshow is ready for you to click the Publish button. Share it with your players by sending them the link or however you prefer. They'll just need to click on the Start button after identifying themselves if required. Above the field where you enter the slide's text, you have several buttons to format it. For example, you can add hyperlinks, meaning that when they click this piece of text, the player is directed to a specific web page. If you hyperlink to other Educaplay games, you can use the slideshow as a tool to share different games on the same subject. You can select a piece of text and make it bold, italic, strike-through, or underlined. You can also change the text color and its background. If you want to list some items, you can create a numbered or a bulleted list. These two buttons allow you to indent the text or return it to its original position. With this button, you can center the selected paragraph, align it to the right, or justify it. Finally, this button removes all formatting you've applied to a piece of text. In the Options tab, with any advanced academic or commercial plan, you can use advanced options such as setting a background image, setting the game as private, showing a message when players pass the activity, or not showing them the correct answers when they finish. If you have a commercial plan, you can also customize the game with your logos and your corporate colors. You are almost there. Next, go to the Information tab where you can change the language of the activity interface and write the title and description. If you want, you can also choose where the activity is located in your educational system. You can also tag your activity to make it easier to classify. You can separate your tags with commas or pressing Enter. When your activity is ready to be published, you'll just have to click the Publish button. Once your activity is published, a screen will appear from which you can do many things. You can keep on creating activities, you can check the one you just created, you can get the link to share it, you can publish it in Google Classroom or other platforms, you can create a challenge with it, or you can keep on editing it. You can do all of this whenever you want. Just go to your profile and click the buttons below the activity.